Have you been trying to find copyright-free music? Wanna stay safe from getting a copyright strike? Still wanna know where most YouTubers find their music like this? Like this? And like this? Then keep watching to find where you can find 100% copyright free music, audios and sound effects that you can use for your YouTube videos at absolutely no cost. At the end of the video, I will tell you one of my most favorite music from the YouTube audio library. So keep watching. The process that I'm going to show you on this video today can be done both on your laptop or on your mobile phone, but today for convenience sake, I'm going to show it on my mobile phone. So the very first step is to open your Google Chrome. If you're using your Gmail, Google, you would already be signed in your Google account. Now just go into your Google Chrome, type the YouTube URL, go into the YouTube website. After going into the YouTube website, click on your YouTube profile picture that's being displayed on the right top corner. You can see a drop down. On the drop down, you can find Creator Studio or YouTube Studio. For me, it's Creator Studio. I'm going into the Creator Studio. In case it asks you, you can give Continue to Studio. Once into your YouTube Studio on your browser, on the left side, you can see a list of icons. The last icon is your audio icon with a music symbol. Just go into that. That is your YouTube audio library. Once you go into the audio library, all the music and sound effects you see here are copyright free, 100% copyright free. On the right side below your profile picture, if you can find Audio Library Classic, then go into that. Now what you see is the Audio Classic library. It is the classic one. YouTube is updating its audio library, so there is a newer version and there is this classic version. I'm going to teach you with the classic version. Once you get to know how to use the classic version, the newer version is really simple. It is also having all the features just like the classic version. The one that you see is your classic audio library. Here you can find all the music which is 100% copyright free. On the top of the music list on the right side, you can see the search music tab. Here you can search any music that you want, any music that you get to know from any other YouTuber of your choice. If you want to use any specific music, any specific sound effect, you can go ahead and search by the music name or the artist name in the search music tab. If you are looking for any specific genre, duration, mood, instruments, you can find it on the top of the music list. You have specific categories like mood, instrument, duration. You can click on that and from the drop down you can select specific moods. For example, in the mood I can go ahead and select calm, funky, happy music. Use the drop down under each category. Select the genre category. Under it, in the drop down I can go ahead and select cinematic, classical, pop. You can also select duration. If your video is going to be very long, maybe a 3 minutes long video, then you can select a song which is like 3 minutes or above, or if it's going to be very small, then you can even select smaller ones. This is where you find the music. If you want to use the sound effects, there is another tab next to feed music which is sound effects. There you can find categories. Under the categories you can select door, horror, alarm, animal, cartoon, sound effects. This is where you find sound effects. Even in the YouTube audio library, there are certain musics which require you to give attributions to the creator in the description box below your video. If you do not intend to give attributions, there is a tab specifically for this where you can go ahead and select attributions not required. After you select attributions not required and you search for any music, all the music that shows up do not require you to give any attributions under your description. Now that you know where to find all the copyright free music, let's see how to download it. So while you see the list of music, on the left side you can find a play button. To play a music, you can press on the play button. If you like the music, you can come to the right side of that particular music and there is this download icon. You can press on it and it will be downloaded. It is that simple. I would advise anyone starting new just like me to go ahead and use the YouTube audio library because it has a plethora of options for you to choose from, which you can actually use for your YouTube video. You can also get copyrighted music by paying certain amount to different websites, but this is where you can find free music, copyright free, royalty free, completely cost free music. Now that you know already how to use the Audio Library Classic, the newer version is also very simple. Once you go into the YouTube website, if you're directed into the newer Audio Library version, then it's really simple. There is no tabs for modes, instrument. There is only one search option, which is search or filter library. There is no tabs and drop down similar to the classic version. Here you need to click on the search or filter library. Then you get search by which category. Search by track title, artist name, mood, anything. Now again, for example, I am going to select mood. In the mood, now you get the drop down where you can select calm, any mood that you want. The setup is slightly different. Some of the classic musics that you can find on the classic audio library may probably not be available in the newer version for the time being, but I got a notification which says all the older musics in the classic audio library will also be brought to the newer version as soon as possible. So this is the newer version. Now you know how to use the newer version as well. The classic audio library looks like this, and the newer YouTube audio library looks like this. Just in case you want to differentiate between both of them, here you go. And now we are at the very end of the video. As promised, I will play you one of my most favorite from the YouTube audio library now. That's my most favorite music from the audio library. Thanks for staying by. In the upcoming video, I will give you a list of musics from the YouTube audio library that you can go ahead and use in your YouTube videos. Also, do subscribe and press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.